Hey guys, Lilly Agozzino-Kolisch here, Director of Product Solutions at PointMan, where we specialize in utility mapping and asset management software. Today we're actually unboxing something super exciting. This is the brand new Radiodetection RD8200SG utility locator. This unit is highly anticipated because it's an all-in-one utility locator, RTK GPS, and with its brand new release to iOS, this unit is going to be flying off the shelves. So let's take a look to see what's inside. So right off the bat, it comes in this padded case, which adds as an extra layer of protection during the shipping process. And it looks like it makes for a great carrying case, taking it to and from job sites. All right, here's the moment. The brand new locator. We'll set that aside for now, get through the rest of the contents in this bag. So it looks like it comes with a couple of charging cables here, making sure that it's always charged up and ready to go. All sorts of options for that. In addition to a tripod mount that looks like it'll fit right on the side of the locator here. This is a perfect spot to store your phone when you're doing data collection on your PointMan app. All right, so taking a look at the inside of this bag here, it looks like we've got a special padded area for the nose of your locator to sit in, the head of your unit to sit right in here, a spot for your transmitter, pockets for your charging cables and anything else, your tablets for data collection, anything else you want to put in here, some pockets on the front as well. So this all packages up super nicely, very concise to take on your field trips with you. So stay tuned, check out our video about the RD8200SG locator, how to pair it with PointMan, and how to use your 1-year free subscription to start collecting data today.